And if you want to get your kidneys failed, please do it outside the room, right? Okay. What will happen?
What will happen?
Yeah. You work, right? Somewhere in a company.
Now I am self-employed.
You're self-employed. So what will happen? You run a business.
Yes.
Right? What will happen? Your kidneys fail.
I will not be able to.
And you have health insurance.
Exactly.
So no problems.
Yeah, but there is a limit to it.
No, so उस लिमिट में हो गया. चलो आपकी कितनी लिमिट है?
5 लाख
5 लाख की लिमिट में 5 लाख की लिमिट में ट्रांसप्लांटेशन हो जाए.
हो जाएगा.
हो जाए. So हो गया. Solved. You have no problems. Does he have any problem?
He has problem.
What is the problem?
Income loss.
Productivity will come down. Efficiency will come down.
Income loss है ना income
Every
loss.
month. every
इनकम
month.
लॉस होगा. वो कैसे कवर होगा मेडिक्लेम से?
तो मैंने दूसरा कवर लिया था उसके.
कौन सा?
ICICI का कवर है.
क्या कवर है?
Equivalent to the claim that I make.
तो और 5 लाख मिल जाएगा.
और 5 लाख.
हाँ, तो 5 लाख में हो गया आपका. कितने दिन चलेगा आपका खर्चा? 5 लाख.
I don't know how much time it
आपका
takes.
बिजनेस
takes to.
किडनी फेल हो गई सर आपकी.
तो मेरा बिजनेस ही वैसा बैठ के कर सकते हैं.
बैठ के कर सकते. आपका बिजनेस अफेक्ट नहीं होगा.
I don't.
आप बैठ भी पाएंगे किडनी फेल हो जाएगी तो.
I don't know.
आपका बिजनेस अफेक्ट होगा क्लियरली, राइट? आपकी
Efficiency.
इनकम बंद हो जाएगी, कम हो जाएगी, बंद हो जाएगी.
जी.
5 लाख रुपए से इनफ नहीं होगा. ओके. एक्सीडेंट में आपकी आंखें चली गई तो आपके बिजनेस को क्या होगा? These are called disability covers. And disability covers are covers कि ये हो जाएगा तो एडिशनल पैसे मिल जाएंगे. 5 लाख रुपए से इनकम रिप्लेस नहीं होता है. आंख चली जाएगी तो आपका बिजनेस रिप्लेस जो इनकम लॉस होगा वो नहीं आता है. तो इसके लिए कवर इंश्योरेंस. सो दैट्स गुड. You really have health insurance. So that's good. And obviously if your kidneys fail or if your eyes go, you're still alive. So fortunately your life policy doesn't pay. You want that, right? You don't want your life policy to pay, right? But that is where a critical illness policy or an accidental disability policy comes in very, very useful.
1000 rupees per month.
Okay? Critical illness policy is a little expensive. Why? It based on probability, right? Your chances of dying is one probability, but your chances of incurring a series of illnesses like organ failure, stroke, multiple sclerosis and surviving are even more. And since the probability of the bad event is high, the premiums are higher to compensate for that.
You can go directly and buy an accidental disability policy.
Oh, absolutely. Yes.
It is not a cover to any other policy.
Yes, sir. Critical illness also you can directly buy. In fact, one of the biggest mistake people make is buying it as an add-on cover. Because the add-on covers are very low. You can buy critical illness of as much as 50 lakhs, now 1 crore.
5 crore.
Critical illness.
Really?
Religare.
5 years.
Religare gives 5 crores. They've just come out. It just come out. I think it's about, so you can buy up to 5 crores. Okay. Accidental disability you can buy separately as well. Okay. And you need those covers. You need those covers. And these policies agents don't sell. Why?
They don't get sufficient.
They don't get too much commission on this.
They are a part of the existing policy itself. They are riders only, right?
No,
fresh
no,
policy.
I'm saying these are available as independent policies
Independent
and
policies.
please buy it as independent policies
Which
because
are attached to the original.
they're not attached.
They are
They are
independent.
independent. They can be bought from
A
a
company
completely
and
different
critical.
company.
A company critical and B
B company accidental
Yes.
disability. Yes, absolutely.
वो तो उस दिन declare
So
करना
accidental
पड़ता है.
disability will pay only if the disability happens because of an accident. Critical illness pays if the disability happens because of a critical illness.
So when you
That is
declare
paid
that,
till
It's a one lump sum.
Okay, it's a one.
So if I buy 1 crore, I buy a term plan of 1 crore, if I die my family gets 1 crore. I buy a critical illness of 1 crore, my kidneys fail, I get 1 crore.
It's a compensation
There
for
could
the
be a
loss
lot
of
of-
income.
It's an income replacement. Just like life insurance
And
is
it
income
also-
replacement for the family, critical illness is income replacement for yourself. You will need the income
So this
replacement.
is more important.
Huh?
This is more important.
It is equally important. Why should we say more? It is needed by people who are not dependent on anybody. So for example, my son, okay, he doesn't need life insurance because much as everybody will miss him, There is no economic consequence of his death, but he needs critical illness because he is dependent on himself. Right? So I think that is very, very few people. How many people have critical illness policies?
I'm not aware.
Wow. Okay, good.
There I have.
What is the quantum you have?
10
10 lakhs. So that obviously, I mean, I don't even have to ask you details. It's obviously insufficient.
Obviously.
Okay. So
Something is better than nothing at least.
yeah, but have everything that is better than something.
So that
And that's
you
not
should-
very
you-
expensive.
You need to earn that money now, sir. All like
This
you
is
have
to
to
protect the money that you earn. So एक बात बताइए, आपने माल भर रखा है गोडाउन में, ठीक है? ताले का पैसा नहीं लगाएंगे, ताले का पैसा बचाएंगे. तो माल रखने में, are you going to save the money on the lock?
You mean exam cover?
Right.
Per month.
Sorry, you had a question, sir?
50 lakh के लिए exam cover है.
Critical illness policy, you have to,
Yeah,
they pay also for your hospitalization expenses.
No.
Hospitalization expenses is your regular mediclaim. That is not the purpose of a
This is
critical
add-on
illness.
special cover.
This is a special cover that pays you a lump sum. You can use the lump sum for paying more
It's like a
hospitalization.
term
That is your
deposit that
choice.
you, two-wheeler insurance you
So
told,
this
1,000
this
rupees.
comes into effect once that particular
If
illness-
critical illness
illness is
happens,
detected.
only
If
then
the
you get.
illness is detected, and typically it provides that you survive for a certain period. If you should survive for a month, I think, typically. Because if you die, then your life insurance policy pays. You need income replacement if you survive the organ failure.
Suppose a stroke comes and a person immediately dies, then what is the use of this critical illness?
It's not, but why do you need it in that case? Because then your life, your family needs insurance, you don't. Your income is affected, but for one day.
You survive after disease.
If you survive, then you need this
जीने का
policy.
फायदा है.
Right?